Hello students, today we are going to do exercise 2.5. Solve the following linear equations. First, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. For solving these type of questions, हम सारे x terms एक तरफ ले जाते हैं और constant terms को दूसरी तरफ ले जाते हैं. So this will become x by 2 minus x by 3. x by 3 वहाँ से इस साइड आएगा तो वो माइनस हो जाएगा is equal to 1 by 4 is already on the right hand side and minus 1 by 5 when it goes to the right hand side becomes 1 by 5. Now we are going to take the common denominator, the LCM of the denominators. When we take the LCM of 2 and 3 we get 6. So 2 को 3 से multiply किया to get 6 तो x को भी हम 3 से multiply करेंगे which makes it 3x minus 3 को हमने 2 से multiply किया to get 6 तो x को भी हम 2 से multiply करेंगे so minus 2x is equal to 4 and 5 का LCM will be 20 so 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 so 1 multiplied by 5 plus 5 into 4 is 20 so 1 into 4 so we have 3x minus 2x that is x by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. We'll shift the 6 to the other side. X is equal to 9 by 20. 6 वहाँ division में था तो it will go in multiplication. Now we can write it as 54 by 20. 9 into 6, 54 by 20. And we can divide it by 2 which will give us 27 by 10. So the answer is x is equal to 27 by 10. Second question, n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So first thing that we are going to do is take the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. So we have 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12. So we'll take 12 as the common denominator. 2 has to be multiplied by 6 to get 12. So n will be multiplied by 6. This gives us 6n minus 4 needs to be multiplied by 3. So 3n will also be multiplied by 3. And 6 multiplies by 2. So 5n will also multiply by 2. This is equal to 21. So solving this, we will get 7n is equal to 21 into 12. 12 from here will go and cross multiply with 21. So 7 is equal to 21 into 12. We can say n is equal to 21 into 12 divided by 7. This 7 and 21 can be cancelled. 7 3s are 21. So n is equal to 3 into 12 and the answer is 36. Third question, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. First we will take the x terms together. So in this case we are having x minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6 is there and minus 7. Now we'll take the common LCM. For the left hand side it will be 6 and we will get 6x minus 8 into 2 that is 16x plus 5 into 3 that is 15x. This is equal to, on this side also we will get 6 as the common denominator or the LCM. 17 minus 7 into 6 that is 42. So this gives us 5x by 6 is equal to minus 25 by 6. Or we can say 5x is equal to minus 25 by 6 into 6 which will cancel. Or we can say x is equal to minus 25 by 5 which will give us minus 5. Question number 4. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. we have to cross multiply here. 5 will go and multiply with x minus 5 and 3 will go and multiply with x minus 3. So we will have 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. That is 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9. We can say 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. Or we can have 2x is equal to 16, which gives us x is equal to 16 by 2, which is 8. So here the answer is x is equal to 8. Question number 5. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. In these type of questions, it is very important to keep the terms together, especially because यहाँ पे minus sign है. So we will make a bracket for this 3t minus 2 and for 2t plus 3. Now we'll take the t terms together, which will bring us to 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 plus t is equal to 2 by 3. We'll take the LCM of denominators on the left hand side, which will give us 12. That means 3 multiplied by 3t minus 2 minus 4 multiplied by 2t plus 3 and plus 12t. Why 12t? Because t means t by 1. So if we are making 12 in the denominator, we'll multiply the numerator also with the 12. So this is equal to 2 by 3. Multiplying, we get 3 into 3t, that is 9t minus 6 minus 8t minus 12 plus 12t. This whole by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Or we will get t minus 18 and 9 minus 8t plus 12. We can say 13t right, 9 minus 1, that is 1, and 12t, that is 13t minus 18 is equal to 2 by 3. This 12 will go and multiply in the numerator. So this 3 and 12 can cancel, which will give us 8. Or we can say 13t is equal to 8 plus 18, which means 13t is equal to 26. Or t is equal to 26 by 13, which is 2. Sixth question. M minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Again, it is very important to keep the two terms in the bracket, because there is a huge likelihood कि इसमें sign का mistake हो सकता है. So we have to keep them in the brackets. Now we'll take the m terms together. This will give us m minus 1 by 2 plus m minus 2 by 3. This is equal to 1. Taking the LCM, so this gives us 6. This will be 6m minus 3 into m minus 1 plus 2 into m minus 2. This is equal to 1. Or we can write it as 6m minus 3m plus 3 plus 2m minus 4 is equal to 6 will go and multiply with 1, which is equal to 6. So 6m minus 3m, that is 3m and 2m, we will get 5m minus 1 is equal to 6. Or we can write 5m is equal to 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. M is equal to 7 by 5. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. Question number 7. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. So multiplying 3 with both, 3t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. Or we can say 10t minus 3t is equal to minus 9 minus 5. 70 is equal to minus 14, or t can be written as minus 14 by 7, which gives us the value of t as minus 2. Question number 8. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. So 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. Taking y terms together, 20 minus 2, this will give us 18y, minus 60 plus 30, that is minus 30 plus 18, that will give us minus 12 is equal to 0. We can say 18y is 12, or y is equal to 12 by 18. We can cancel it with 6 2s are and 3s are. This gives us the value of y as 2 by 3. Question number 9. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. This gives us 15z minus 21 minus 18z plus 22 equal to 32z minus 52 minus 17. So this will give us minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 32z minus, we have 52 and 17, which gives us 69. Or we can say 32z plus 3z is equal to 1 plus 69. 35z is equal to 70, or we can write z is equal to 70 by 35, which is equal to 2. Question number 10. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Multiplying 0.25 with 4f, the answer will be 1. So this gives us f. Multiplying 0.25 with 3, that gives us 0.75. Multiplying 0.05 with 10f, that gives us 0.5f minus 0.05 into 9, that gives us 0.45. So f minus 0.5f is equal to 0.75 minus 0.45. Or we can have 0.5f because f means 1f. So 1 minus 0.5 if you do, you will get 0.5f. That is equal to 0.3. So f is equal to 0.3 by 0.5, which can be written as, if you multiply numerator and denominator by 10, both by 10, you will get 3 by 5. And if you solve it, you can write it as 0.6. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.